Today I'm going to be turning this into this. The first thing that I did is I made a template. Then I picked my piece of lumber out and traced it onto the piece, making sure to follow along with the grain orientation, making sure that I got some of that sapwood on the blade. Then I followed my cut as close as I could to the bandsaw and making sure to stay pretty close to the line. Then I just sanded to the line using my belt sander. I did use a spindle sander in my drill press. You can pick these up pretty cheap and they're pretty useful. Next, I followed along the blade to make sure that I got my geometry right. If you're interested, this is my normal working speed. This isn't sped up at all. This is pretty common for me, especially in the winter when it's cold and I gotta stay warm. And I glued up the pieces, making sure that I had a left and a right scale. I didn't want to glue on the wrong side and screw everything up. I made sure that everything was well aligned, clamped everything up with one at first, and then made sure that everything was aligned and proper, checked, and made sure it was all good. The following day it was dry and I started shaping. I used mostly files and rasps for this. I did go back with the belt sander, but that is not shown here, to do some shaping. Most of this was done by hand. Here's a good tip for you. If you take sandpaper and you back it with duct tape, you can use it like this. It's pretty useful for being able to pull really hard and be able to get those fine corners. Yet even more sanding, these little hand sanders are pretty nice. This is my buddy Mark and his reaction.
Wow. Check this out. Mike made this. Unbelievable. Thank you very, very much, Mike. Excellent gift. All right? Good deal, buddy. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't procrastinate, innovate.